Hello everyone, magandang buhay po sa lahat. Welcome back po dito sa ating channel. I'm happy to share with you my knowledge in mathematics. So sit back and let us learn math in easiest way. Sa video na ito ay papaliwanag ko po sa inyo about multiplication of polynomials. Like, we are going to multiply binomial by a monomial, trinomial by a monomial, and multinomial by a monomial. So, paano nga po ba mag-multiply? So, ipapaliwanag ko po yan sa inyo step by step. Magpipresent po ako ng examples from easy to difficult. Okay, so before I present examples, we are going to recall first the different polynomials according to number of terms. So we have monomial, binomial, trinomial, and the last one is multinomial. So when you say monomial, it contains only one term. So here, ito po yung mga different examples of monomial. Okay? For binomial, it contains two terms. So we have x plus 2. There are two terms here. Again, ang terms po ay sineseparate ng addition and subtraction. Kaya po dito sa binomial, we have one operation here na plus or minus. So sa monomial, wala po siyang operation. Okay po? That's monomial, this binomial, and for trinomial, there are three terms. So dapat dalawa pong operation sa ating trinomial. Okay? Operation ng addition or subtraction. Okay? So we have here the different examples of trinomial. Now, how are we going to multiply binomial by a monomial? Okay, this one. This is binomial. We are going to multiply it by a monomial. And another one is we are going to multiply trinomial by a monomial. So this is trinomial and this is monomial. How are we going to multiply? Okay, so to multiply binomial by a monomial, we can write in this way. Okay, so meron po tayong close and open parenthesis to indicate a monomial and a binomial at the same time to indicate multiplication as operation. Okay? So this is read as 2x times x plus 2. So ito po ay multiplication ng binomial and a monomial or pwede naman pong unahin yung monomial by a binomial. Okay? How about if we're going to multiply trinomial by a monomial? So the same way, we have this one, 2x times x squared minus 3x plus 5. This is trinomial and this is monomial. Again, we will write close and open parenthesis to indicate operation between the two polynomials. Okay, so how are we going to multiply this polynomials? So, tuturo ko po yan sa inyo in step by step. Okay, so let's start. For letter A, we are going to multiply monomial by a binomial. Okay, so let's have this number one example. We have 2x times x plus 2. So 2x is a monomial, x plus 2 is a binomial. So now, how are we going to multiply? So here, we are going to apply our knowledge about distributive property. So pag sinabi po nating distributive property, we are going to distribute the monomial inside the parenthesis here or in the binomial. So how? Okay, ganito lang po yon. We multiply 2x to the first term here in the binomial x. So 2x times x, lagay ko po sa baba. So this will become 2x times x. Again, close and open parenthesis indicates multiplication. Again, another one, we multiply again this monomial by the second term in the binomial. Okay, multiply naman po natin yan sa 2. So this will become, we have this one, 2x times 2. Okay, this one. So always indicate po ng plus dito. Ang operation po between terms ay plus always. Okay. So we have now 2x times x. Okay, this one. Plus, next is 2x times 2. Okay, this one. Now, we're going to apply our knowledge here on multiplying monomial by a monomial. Okay, apply po natin yung knowledge natin kung paano po yon i-perform. So, to perform monomial by a monomial, first, multiply the numerical coefficient. Okay? So, here 2. The numerical coefficient here is 1. So, 2 times 1 is equal to 2. And then sa x, x times x is equal to x squared. Okay, so we have now here 2 times 1 is 2 and then x times x is x squared. So again, sa multiplication, kapag pareho pong variable, add the exponent. Okay, so yun po yung rule ng ating law of exponent. So 1 plus 1 here is equal to 2. And then plus 2x times 2. So isa lang po yung variable natin ditong x. So just multiply numbers. 2 times 2 is 4 and then yung nag-iisang x here, sasama na po natin dito. Okay, x. So, we have now 2x squared plus 4x. Now, can we add 2x squared plus 4x? No, we cannot add. So, here, this is now your final answer. So, multiplying these two polynomials, 2x times x plus 2, the product is 2x squared plus 4x. Okay, so another one, we have 3xy times y squared minus 5. So 3xy is a monomial, y squared minus 5 is a binomial. Okay, so here, more than one variables po yung aking ginamit. So ang variable po natin dito ay x and y. So how to perform? So the same method, we are going to apply distributive property. So we are going to multiply monomial by the first term, 3xy times y squared. So we're going to write it here. So this one, 3xy times y squared. Okay. And then next, multiply to the second term. That is 3xy times 5. Here, this is minus. So we write this one as negative 5 kasi minus 5. So again, always plus po yung ilalagay po natin dito para hindi po kayo malito. So again, this one, 3xy times negative 5 because this is minus 5. And then maglagay po ng plus sa pagitan po ng terms. Okay? So ito na po yan, i-distribute na po natin. We're going to simplify monomial by a monomial. So here, the numerical coefficient of y squared is 1. So multiply this one, 3. 3 times 1 is equal to 3. Okay? So this one. And then yung variable natin, x, wala pong x sa kabila na monomial. So x lang po. So the same po as is x po natin yan. And then sa y, we have 1 here, y, and then we have 2y here, y squared. So add the exponent 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3. So we have now, for the first term here, 3xy cubed. Okay? Plus, second term, 3xy times negative 5. So multiply numbers, 3 times negative 5 is negative 15. Okay? And then, ito lang po yung variable, wala pong variable dito. So xy, so just copy the variable xy. Okay? So we have now 3xy cubed plus negative 15xy. So pag ganito po na may negative, may close and open parenthesis para maganda po yung sagot natin malinaw, we're going to remove close and open parenthesis. So to remove, i-multiply natin itong sign and the operation. What is positive times negative? That is negative. Okay? Or this will become 3xy cubed minus 15xy. So, in shortcut po, pag magkasunod po yung plus and negative, ang magiging operation po niya, pag tinanggal yung ating close and open parenthesis, magiging minus po yan. Sundin po yung sign ng negative dito. Okay? So, we have now 3xy cubed minus 15xy. So, this is now our final answer. Okay, for number 3 example, okay, more complex. So, dinagdagan ko po ng mas marami pang variables. Okay, so we have now negative 9x squared y times 3xy minus 2x. Okay, so this is binomial. Okay, ito pong negative 9x squared y, binomial. 3xy minus 2x is a binomial. So, still, multiplying binomial by a monomial or multiplying monomial by a binomial. So, the same process, we are going to use distributive property. We are going to multiply the monomial by the first term here. So, we have negative 9x squared y times 3xy. Okay, I'm going to write it here below. Okay, so this one, negative 9x squared y, okay, this one, times 3xy. Okay, next, we are going to multiply again this monomial to the second term there. Okay, so we have negative 9x squared y times negative 2x. Why negative 2x? Minus po kasi siya. Okay, kaya negative 2x. So again, always indicate po natin yung plus sign here. Okay, so this one, negative 9x squared y times negative 2x. Okay po yan. So next, after that, we are going to multiply again monomial by a monomial, okay, to simplify. So here, meron na po tayong numerical coefficient. greater than 1. So we have negative 9 and 3. So what is negative 9 times 3? Okay, guhitan ko po. Negative 9 times 3, that is equal to negative 27. Okay, so negative 9 times 3 is negative 27. And then for x, meron po tayong x dito, x squared, and then x. So ilang x po lahat yan? X squared and then x. So if you're going to add 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So x cubed po. Okay? For y, we have 1y. We have 1y here. If you're going to add 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So that's become y squared. Okay? And then for second term, so plus. Yung second term po natin is negative 9 times negative 2. So what is negative times negative? Positive. So 9 times 2 is 18. So positive 18. Okay? Then next for x, x squared and x. So 2 plus 1 sa x here is 3. And then for y, wala pong y sa kabila. So we just copy y here. Okay? So we have now negative 27x cubed y squared plus 18x cubed y. Hindi na po natin pwedeng i-simplify ito or i-add. So this is now our final answer. Okay, so now, how about multiplying monomial by a trinomial or trinomial by a monomial? So paano po yan i-multiply? Let's have this number one example. So we have 2x times x squared minus 3x plus 2. So again, yung close and open parenthesis indicate multiplication. So ito po yung monomial, 2x, and then ito po yung trinomial, x squared minus 3x plus 2. Okay, so how are you going to multiply? So kanina po, 2 terms lang. Ngayon ay 3 terms po dito. So the same process, we're going to apply distributive property. Okay, so ganito lang po yon. Multiply ulit natin yung 2x times first term, 2x times x squared. Okay, this one, 2x times x squared. Then multiply the monomial to the second term. Okay, so that is minus 3x. That will become negative 3x ang multiply natin sa 2x. So always lagyan po natin yan ng plus. Okay, so plus 2x times negative 3x. Okay, this one. And then sa last term, plus 2. Plus, okay, 2x times 2. Okay, this one. So bali, 3 terms po yan. Bali, tatlo pong multiplication ng monomial dito. Okay, so we have first, second, and then third. Okay, yan po yan. So, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so multiplying monomial by a monomial here, 2x times x squared. So, ang numerical coefficient ng x dito ay 1. So, 2 times 1 is 2. Okay? And then, sa x naman, we have 1 here and we have 2. So, if you're going to add, 1 plus 2 is 3. So, this is x cubed. Okay? And then, plus 2x times negative 3x. So, 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. Then, x times x, isang x, pag pagsamahin, dalawang x, kaya x squared. And then, plus 2x plus 2, that is equal to 4x. So, 2 times 2 is 4. And then, yung nag-isang variable, tabi natin x. So, we have now 2x cubed plus negative 6x squared plus 4x. So, again, meron tayong close and open parenthesis para po maging malinis yung ating polynomial, tanggal natin yung close and open parenthesis. Ito po ay negative, ito po ay plus. Pag pinagsama yan, magiging minus. Okay? So, positive times negative is negative. Okay? So, we have now 2x cubed minus 6x squared plus 4x. So, that is our final answer. Okay, so how about this number 2 example? We have 3xy times x squared y plus 3xy minus y squared. So ito, medyo marami na yung ating variable. So dalawa po, x and y. So ito yung ating monomial, 3xy. And this one is our trinomial. Okay? So we have x squared y, first term. 3xy, second term. Then y squared, third term. Okay, kaya trinomial po ito. Okay? So this still the same. We are going to use distributive property. So, monomial by the first term, 3xy, okay, this one, times x squared y, okay, this one. And then next, second term, multiply again, 3xy times 3xy. Okay, again, 3xy times 3xy. So, ito po yun. And then next, Yung last term naman po sa y squared, we are going to multiply 3xy times negative y squared. Okay, so plus 3xy times negative y squared. Okay, so we have this one, first term, second term, third term. Okay, so multiply monomial by a monomial here. We have 3 times numerical coefficient here is 1. So what is 3 times 1? That is 3. Okay, and then para sa variables, x and x squared. So isang x, dalawang x, pag pinagsama, tatlong x. So 1 plus 2 is 3, so x cubed. And then for y, we have 1 here, we have 1 here. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, so this is y squared. Okay, next, this one, 3xy times 3xy. Okay, so the product is this one, 9x squared y squared. So paano po? 3 times 3 equal to 9. Then x times x, tag isang x, pag pinagsama, x squared, dalawang x. The same, y times y, magiging y squared. So, dalawang y po yan. The next, plus 3xy times negative y squared. So, ganito po yung magiging product niya. So, paano po? So, 3 times negative 1. So, wala pong naka-indicate na numerical coefficient. Ito po ay 1. So, ang numerical coefficient po dito ay negative 1 kasi may negative po dito. Okay, so 3 times negative 1 is equal to negative 3. Okay? And then sa variable, x, walang x sa kabila, so x lang. Okay, just copy x. And then for y, we have 1 and then 2. So 1 plus 2 equal to 3, so we have y cubed. Okay, so now we have this one, 3x cubed y squared plus 9x squared y squared plus negative 3xy cubed. So here, meron tayong close and open parenthesis na mayroon pong what call this one, sign na negative. Okay. So kapag may sign na negative, ito po ay plus again, ito po ay magiging minus. Okay, so that is minus 3xy cubed. So this is now our final answer. Okay? How about this number 3 example? Okay? Still, multiplying trinomial by a monomial. So medyo dagdagan natin ng konti para may twist naman. Okay? So we have this one, negative 5a squared b. This is our monomial. Okay? Isang term lang po yan. And then, multiply po natin dito sa trinomial. So, we have 3ab squared, one term, minus 2ab, second term, plus 4ab cubed, third term. Okay, kaya 1, 2, 3, 3 terms, kaya trinomial. So, how to multiply? So, the same process, apply distributive property. Okay? Monomial by the first term. Okay? Negative 5a squared b times 3ab squared. So, ilagay ko po sa baba para di po tayo maligaw. Okay, next. The monomial by the second term in the trinomial. Okay, this one. So, ito naman po yung i-multiply nating dalawa. Okay, since that is minus, yan po ay magiging negative. So, again, always put plus here. Okay? Para ma-separate yung dalawang terms. So, this become negative 5a squared b. Okay, this one. Times, multiply natin sa second term, negative 2ab. Okay, this one. Negative 2ab. And then last, sa third term, okay, multiply po naman po natin dito sa 4ab cube. Okay, so this become, yan, plus this one, negative 5ab squared, this one, and then 4ab cube. Okay, this one. Okay, so we have now first term, second term, third term. So we are going to multiply. So the same process, wag lang po kayong malilito. Always multiply numerical coefficient. And then sa variable naman, kapag magkapareho, add exponent. Pag hindi pagkapareho, pagtatabihin lang. Okay? So here, negative 5 times 3, that's negative 15. Okay? Then next, sa a naman, a squared in a, 2 plus 1 equal to 3. So balit 3 po yung a, so that is a cube. And then for b, we have 1 here and we have 2. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So that is b cubed. Okay, next here. We're going to multiply negative 5 times negative 2. What is negative times negative? Positive. And then 5 times 2 is 10. So positive 10 po yan. Okay? And then for a, we have a squared a. So 2 plus 1 here is 3. So a cubed. And then for b, Isang b po dito, isang b. If you're going to add 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. That is b squared. Okay. And then last term, here, the product is this one. So we have negative 5 times 4, negative 20. Okay? And then sa a naman, a squared, a. So 2 plus 1 equal to 3. So a cubed. The next, sa b naman ay, we have 1b here, we have 3 here, 1 plus 3 equals 4. So that is b raised to the 4th power. Okay, so ito na po yung naging product ng monomial by amonomial. We are going to remove this close and open parenthesis. Ito po ay plus and negative, magiging ito po ay minus. Okay, always po ganyan magiging minus. So this is now our final answer, negative 15a cubed b cubed plus 10a cubed b squared. Then, yung plus minus magiging, plus negative magiging minus 20a cubed b raised to the 4th power. Okay, so that is your final answer. Okay, so how about this letter C? We are going to multiply monomial by a multinomial or multinomial. So anong pong ibig sabihin ng multinomial? Ang terms po niya ay 4 or more terms, multinomial. Kaya dito po sa ating example number 1, we have 3x. Yung 3x po ay monomial. Ito pong close and open parenthesis, okay, this one, ito po yung multiplication na operation. So yung i-multiply po natin sa monomial ay ito pong nandito sa loob ng parenthesis. So ilang terms po yan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 terms po yan. Kaya ito po ay multinomial or multinomial. So paano po yan i-multiply? So the same process ay gagamitin po natin yung distributive property. So we're going to multiply 3x times 2x raised to the 5th power. Okay, so lagay ko po sa baba. Okay, this one. 3x times 2x raised to the 5th power. Okay, next po, multiply natin yung monomial by the second term. Okay, guhitan ko ulit. 3x times negative 5x raised to the 4th power. Okay, in this way. Always, lagyan po natin ng plus sa pagitan. Okay, so plus 3x, this one. Then, multiply natin itong second term, negative 5x raised to the 4th power. Okay, this one. Okay, next term, itong third term natin. So, from 3x, multiply natin yung third term. Okay, this one. Okay, 4x cubed. So, 3x times 4x cubed. Okay. Next, ito pong fourth term natin, negative x squared. So, guhitan ko po ulit from 3x, multiply natin yung negative x squared. Okay? So, this become plus 3x and then negative x squared. Then last, ito pong multiply natin yung 2. So, 3x times 2 here. Okay? So, plus 3x times 2. So, ilang terms po lahat dapat yan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dapat 5 terms din po ito. So, guhitan ko po. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. At lahat po ng pagitan po nila ay may operation na plus. Okay? So, now, we are going to multiply monomial by a monomial. So, unahin po natin yung first term. 3x times 2x raised to the 5th power. So, 3 times 2 is 6. And then, yung variable x, 1 plus 5 is 6. So, we have 6x raised to the 6th power. Again, 3 times 2 is 6. X, 1. And then x, 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. So, x raised to 6. And then plus, what is the product? Okay, this one. 3 times negative 5 is negative 15. Then x times x raised to 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. So, x raised to 5. And then here, sa third term natin, ito po yung ating product. 3 times 4 is 12. X times x cubed. So, 1 plus 3 is 4. So, x fourth or x raised to 4. And then, ito po, sa fourth term, 3x times negative x squared. Okay. So, 3 times negative 1, kasi may 1 po dito, hindi lang po nilagay, that is negative, so this is negative 1. So, 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. Then, for x, we have 1, we have 2 here, so 1 plus 2 is 3, so we have x cubed. At ito pong last, 3x times 2, that is equal to 6x. So, 3 times 2 is 6, and then nag-iisa lang yung x, tabi lang po natin. So, first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. So, we have here, plus negative, plus negative. Ito po ay magiging minus pag ipa-finalize po natin yung ating polynomial. So, we have now 6x raised to the 6th power. Okay, this will become plus negative, kaya minus 15x raised to 5 plus 12x raised to 4 minus 3x cubed plus 6x. So that is now our final answer. Okay, so let's have an activity. So let's see if you really understand the lesson. Try this activity. So find the product of the following polynomials. Okay, so for number 1, we have 2m times m plus 5. So ito po ay multiplication ng monomial by a binomial. Number 2, we have negative 4x squared y times 3xy minus 5. The same, multiplication ng monomial by a binomial. And for the third question, we have negative 7c squared d squared times negative 4cd plus 6cd cubed minus 2d. So this is multiplication of monomial by a trinomial. Okay? So baka pwede naman po ninyong i-share yung inyong sagot. Paki-comment po sa comment box at tingnan po natin kung tama po yung inyong sagot. Salamat sa panood mga anak. Kung nagustuhan nyo yung video na ito at natuto kayo, baka pwede naman pong i-click yung like and then subscribe na rin kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking channel. So, hindi ka po magsisisi sa pag-subscribe kasi lahat po ng video lesson ng grade 8 ay i-upload ko po dito. So, tutulungan po kitang maintindihan yung inyong lesson.